Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen, and today we're going to unbox brand new for 2022, spring of 2022. This is Jon Renau KELLY in 12 FS12 Malibu Blonde. If you want to know what I'm wearing, just check the drop down box below and I will have all the information on it. Okay, I purchased this wig with my own funds from wigstudio1.com, and I wanted to unbox it for you today so we can get a look at this brand new style. So let's get started. Let's unbox Kelly. I can't wait to see this. I have been so excited for it to come in. It's just boxed like a normal Jon Renau. Has a hairnet. I see some waves. I love this color. So pretty. Okay, let's have a look at it. Yep, it has some waves. So pretty. Yeah, this is just gorgeous. Look at all these waves on the bottom. Straighter on the top, going down into this volume along the bottom. All right, let's look at the inside of the cap. It has a mono top, lace front. Now this lace front does not go down into the ear tabs. Just let you see how far down this goes. We'll try it on, of course. Mono top. It's open wefted. It has closed ear tabs with stays. Notice that the fibers are sewn into the ear tabs. Has a non-extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters. There's some stretch here. Just letting you have another look at this mono top. Okay, let's look at this color. 12 FS12. So pretty. It comes with a zigzag part, just so you see that. So, you know, this color, Malibu Blonde, one of their most popular blonde shades. And it's just blended. It has all these natural gold and light golden brown. It has a light brown root. So it's just shades of light and natural gold blondes. A little brown worked in here. And then this beautiful brown rooting. Very, very subtle. If you know 12 FS8 shaded praline, this is the same color all over except for the rooting. This is a lighter root and I prefer it. Okay, let's try this on. Okay, let's try on Kelly. I'm going to give it a shake and let's see how the fit is on this. Okay, it fits me well. I don't have to do any adjustment to it. Oh wow, look at these beautiful waves on this. Like I said, it has the crisscross part. The lace front comes here to here. Just make sure you know that or wear that. So look at the lace front. Now, let's see. There's my bow hair, here and here. And the ear tab fits me right above the ear. Now I'm going to take out this crisscross part. I want to see how that looks. I just run my wide tooth comb down it and just kind of release that a little bit, loosen it up. Has a mono top like we talked. And then just down into these beautiful, beautiful curls. I love that. So, so pretty. Let's have a look at the back. Lots of movement here, lots of bounce. Yeah, I like this. This can be sprayed off your face. I'm going to use just a little water on mine. I always do that. I just want to see what I'm working with here. I always just spray first thing with a little water and separate it just a little. Oh yeah, this is just really pretty. I really think this is nice. This is going to be very popular for them. Like I said, lots of volume down here. There is some permatease, absolutely permatease at the nape of this. Running up through the back of this, yes. Now, no, there is none in the top like we talked about, but there is permatease running throughout the nape and around here, and that's giving you this shape that is so pretty here. Now the bang on this, I want you to see this long 9.5 inch bang. So the crown is 10.25. Now you can trim this if you'd like. I won't. I like this long sweeping bang. I think it's very pretty. The sides are 9.25. It has some really nice specs on this, I think. The nape is 5.5 and it weighs 4.2 ounces. There's a lot of hair here, just so you're aware of that. So pretty. Okay, let's have a look at this color in outdoor lighting. Okay, here's another look at the inside of the cap of Jon Renau KELLY. Again, beautiful large mono feature. I want you to look at the lace front and how far it goes down. Closed ear tabs with stays. Open wefted. Like I said, there is stretch here. Non-extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. And another look at Malibu Blonde. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing of Jon Renau KELLY and this beautiful Malibu Blonde. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Have lots of fun things happening there. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.